Hello, and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I've got this pork shoulder here that I want to make just a roast out of. So, we'll get him opened up. Let's see how much this thing weighs before we get started. 7 pounds. That's the smallest one I could find because I really didn't want such a large one. But you gotta get what you can get when you can get it. Especially right now, it's short on meat, short on this, and short on that. So, that's the breaks, you know. So, we'll put them over here. I want to rinse them off just a little bit. Alright. Now, that looks good right there. That's better than even I thought it was going to be. If I can only reach the paper towels, I don't want to set it up plate, but we'll have to. Yeah, this looks even better than I thought it was going to look. We'll start drying them off a little bit here. I'm going to have to use another plate. I hate when I have to get another plate down. That looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm just going to score this. This fat here. I'm just going to score it like that. Have to watch all these knives. Sometimes I go through that skin there's pretty tough, but that's good. And now we're going. Just doing this to make it. Well, that skin's going to be crispy when I finish with it, I hope. That's my intention, is to make it crispy on the outside like this. Because I'm going to pressure cook this now in the FOODi DELUXE there for about an hour. And then I'm going to finish it up with air crisp. Or air fryer, whatever they want to call it. You'd think, look at this knife, you'd say, well, you need to sharpen your knife, but that knife is sharp. That's just a tough old skin right there. Alright, now that looks pretty good. Let me lay this down here. Like I said, I need another plate out. I don't want the bottom of that dry. Oh, this is a good looking roast right here. Good looking piece of pork. And we're looking pretty good now. Lay it over here in this cleaner plate. Now let me get me out some ingredients here. Okay, now we've got this thing covered up good with BYRON'S butt rub and this LAWRY'S seasoned salt here. And there's enough down that plate, I think, to stand it up on the ends like this. Just go through it. Like that. Oh yeah, see that way you don't waste as much either. But I see right now I'm going to have to put some on the end like this, which means I got to clean my hands again. Even though I got gloves on, still got to clean my hands again if I'm going to pick that stuff up. You contaminate your little shakers if you don't. think we about got that thing pretty much covered right there. That's the side I want to be up. This is going to be so good. I'll have to have it eat before it goes on YouTube, because if I don't, people will be coming from miles around to try to get a piece of it. So it just ain't going to be here. It's going to be all eat up. Now, okay, now I've got some of this White House apple cider vinegar here. And I'm going to put a cup and a half in this measuring cup. I can see where the half is at. There it is. Alright, cup and a half. We'll pour it down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe. You know, I don't know why I'm always saying their name. They don't ever even say thank you. You know, so. But to me, it's just a good product, and I enjoy using it, and it does a good job for me, so I don't mind telling everybody what the name of it is. So anyway, now we'll put this piece of pork down in here. Get down in there, buddy. There you go. Now I can take these gloves off and be done with them for today. Okay, now you know what's coming next. We'll get the pressure lid over here. Line up the arrows in the front. Turn it till clockwise until it locks. Let me get the camera over here so you can see better. Then I'm going to turn on the power. And we'll go here pressure. I'm only going to pressure cook it for an hour, and I think it'd probably take an hour and a half to have it real tender. Now, if I was making pulled pork, I'd go ahead and cook it for an hour and a half or hour and 45 minutes. But being as I'm just cooking it for, I want a roast out of it, and I'm going to finish up with the air fryer. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on high and set the time. Up to 1 hour. I'm going to hit the start button, and there it goes. Now, this pot has a lot of stuff in it. You know, it's got a 7-point-something pound piece of pork in it, and it's got a cup and a half of cider in it. So I'll keep track and let you know, but I got a feeling it's going to be about 15 to 20 minutes before that little button ever pops up. So we'll be back. While you got a chance, give us a thumbs up and join our channel if you can. You know, thumbs up and join our channel. And thank you very much to you people that watches our videos. We sure do appreciate it. In case I forgot to tell you, make sure you set this valve to seal here. Make sure it's on seal and not vent. Tell you the truth, mine was on vent, but I caught it in time so it doesn't cost us any time. But it sure is starting to smell good in there already. See a little steam coming up around it and all this good stuff. This is going to be a good roast. When Kay gets home for dinner tonight, she's going to like this. Okay, now it's been about 18 minutes since I hit that start button, and that little silver pin is jumping up and down. It's ready to go here. Just needs just a little bit more pressure. And there it went. Now it's sealed up. Now, like I said, it took just a little bit more than 18 minutes now. Now these little lights, you know, keep chasing each other around till they get caught up here. So it shouldn't take it but a couple of minutes before they're ready to go. Okay, and there it went. It took it less than 2 minutes before it started counting down for the hour. So, now we'll be back in about 59 minutes and 40 seconds from now. I was just thinking while I was sitting there waiting for this cook to finish that I'm going to have to roast it for another 30 minutes after it's finished anyway, so I might as well get me a few little potatoes ready to go in there. Those are always good. I'm going to put some more of this. We'll use a little bit of this, never used this on potatoes before, but a little bit of seasoning salt, or seasoned salt, and a little bit of this complete seasoning. Well, I sprayed a little bit of olive oil on to start with. That's like washing dishes, what it is. Get that out of another bowl to mess up. Put too much stuff on. Now, that's about ready. And now we've only got about 3.5 minutes left on this thing. So, being as I want to do something else to it, I'm probably just going to go ahead and give it a quick release and get it out of there so I can empty that pot out, because I want that pot to be pretty dry when I get ready to bake it, or air fry it, or roast it, or whatever we do to it. Okay, now we're down 20 seconds here on this our cook, and we're going to take this thing out, like I said, and empty that pot. So I can sort of dry it out a little bit, because I don't want to be trying to roast or bake anything in there with it wet. It just causes that much steam to come up and you can't get a good roast on it. Now, like I said, I'm just going to go here and give it a quick release and get it all out of there. Alright, now the pressure has been coming off that thing for 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Should be ready to drop. And there it went. It took just a little over 3.5 minutes. Open it up away from your face. Oh goodness. Look at that. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to stick this monitor down there in the middle of it just to see what it says. It's almost done. About another 20 degrees to go. That's just about what I expected. That'll be just about right. Now, see if I can get it out of this pot. And into this plate. And empty that pot out. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm going to empty that pot in this bowl here so I can do something with it later instead of just dumping it down the sink. We don't want to do that. Let's see here. All right. Now I'll put this pot right back down in here. I'll put this beautiful pork roast right back down in here. My little mittens are starting to get warm. Okay, now get a towel and wipe that off of here. Yeah, I don't want it to cause anything not to work right. Now, I'm just going to dump these potatoes I've got here right on down in here. Just like that. Now I'm going to set the lid. We'll turn on the power again. Okay, I'll put it over here on bake. We'll leave it at 375, and we'll go up to 30 minutes with it. Now we'll hit the start button. Now I'll be checking it out before 30 minutes is up just to make sure how everything is going. Make sure I'm not overcooking. I don't think I will, but can't never tell. Okay, now it still has 3.5 minutes to go. However, you can take a toothpick here, just push it right down in those potatoes. Anyone you want to, make sure your hand don't hit that pot. And put this down in the middle of that pork roast there. That's up to 143 now. Google said it has to be 144, which 145, which I'm pretty sure it's going to carry over to that. Just sitting here, so I'm about ready to see if I can get this thing out of here. See exactly what it's like. I know what it's going to be like. It's going to be delicious. I'll turn off the power and unplug it. Yeah, that looks good. Let's see if I can set it on this plate without throwing them potatoes all over the floor. Get back a little bit with it. See if I can catch them potatoes. One hit the floor. That's irritating when one hits the floor. Now look at that. Now, doesn't that look good? Where's that potato? I don't want to step on it and make matters worse. I'll tell you now, that looks pretty good. Now we'll wiggle around here and get it over here off this rack onto a plate. Now I'll just touch this with a knife while I'm going to look at it fall off like that. And it just comes right on down if I keep it sliding on this plate. That's going to be some good stuff right there after it cools off a little bit. Those potatoes are just really good. These potatoes are great. Now stuff like this though will really make you fat, folks, because this is so good. I mean, no, I don't care where you stick it at. Cut you off a piece of that. Still got all this juice up in here. And these potatoes just picked right up on that flavor. Okay, now I hope y'all enjoyed watching this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you'll try one of these sometimes, because this is great right here. You don't know what you're missing until you try one of these. Don't forget, you still got to wash your hands and stay away from everybody for a while longer. So all you do is stay home with me and watch videos. Watch all YouTube videos. Watch mine first and then watch everybody else's. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day, and stay safe. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye now.